Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Bambu Lab A1 Mini not showing up in Bambu Studio, detect printer fix. Fix 1. Verify your Bambu Lab account and printer binding. Sign into the same Bambu Lab account on your A1 Mini, the Bambu Handy app and Bambu Studio. Now open the Bambu Handy app and check whether your A1 Mini appears under devices. If the printer is missing, tap the plus icon and scan the QR code displayed on the A1 Mini screen to bind the printer again. And if the printer is already bound, sign out of the Bambu Studio, restart the application and sign back in to refresh your account. Fix 2. Check your network connection. Connect your computer and A1 Mini to the same Wi-Fi network SSID. And if your router separates 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks, make sure both devices are connected to the same one. Then turn off any active VPN on your computer as it can block printer discovery. And verify that your computer's firewall or antivirus software allows Bamboo Studio to communicate on your local network. Fix 3. Add the A1 Mini printer profile. Open the Prepare tab in Bamboo Studio, then click the printer gear icon. Now enable the Bamboo Lab A1 Mini printer profile and select the correct nozzle size, such as 0.4 mm and click Save. Fix 4. Connect using LAN mode. On the A1 Mini touchscreen, open Settings, then go to WLAN. Note the printer's IP address and access code, and in the Bamboo Studio, open the Device tab. Now click the printer menu and select Bind with Access Code and enter the printer's IP address and access code to establish a LAN connection. Fix 5. Reset Bamboo Studio configuration. On Windows, close the Bamboo Studio. Now press Windows plus R and type %appdata% and press Enter. Now locate the Bamboo Studio folder and rename or delete it. Next, on your Mac OS, close Bamboo Studio, open Library Application Support folder, and delete or rename the Bamboo Studio folder in it. Fix 6. Reinstall Bamboo Studio. If the issue persists, perform a clean installation. Uninstall Bamboo Studio from your computer, download the latest stable version from the official Bamboo Lab software page, and from there install the software. Then sign into your Bamboo Lab account and add your A1 Mini again. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.